Good day students, welcome to Nazbila. Today we will be discussing the question answers of chapter 2 of our supplementary Vista, The Tiger King. इस चैप्टर का जो लेसन एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियो बना है उसका लिंक कमेंट सेक्शन में मैंने दिया है. यू कैन डायरेक्टली वॉच इट. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना एंड डू शेयर इट विथ एवरीवन. First of all, the story of this lesson is very long. There is a trick to remember it कि instead of remembering it into parts, remember it all together as a one, so that will be easy for you to write your answers and take out the points for your answers. The second thing that we will be discussing that we have not discussed so far is animal cruelty shown in the lesson. इसके ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन भी है. The third thing that I have to discuss is that एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है इस लेसन में, that does the prediction became true. इसमें एक आंसर है ironically. So ये वर्ड को याद रखना, मैं इसका मीनिंग बताऊंगी तुम्हें कि what is the meaning of ironically. So let's start with the first question. Now I'm also discussing the extra questions also. Who is the Tiger King? Why does he get that name? So see, in the beginning only it is given the Maharaja of Pratibandhupuram is the hero of the story and he is the one who is known as the Tiger King. You can also include the different names that has been given to Tiger King like Jang Jang Bahadur and Maharaja Dhirja Viswa Bhuvana Samrat, etc. And then you can add that how courageous he was. Anybody who listen about him wants to meet him face to face. And how did he get his name? Because when he was 10 days old, at that time there was a prediction made by an astrologer that he will become a great warrior, but he will die because of the tiger. He will die of the 100 tiger that will come in his life. So he started killing tigers of the Pratibandhupuram forest. Then he also married and started killing tigers in the state of his father-in-law. And that is why he was known as the Tiger King. Do not forget to elaborate the answer. And he killed 99 tigers. But lastly, he couldn't kill the 100 tiger. And lastly, he died because of the wooden tiger that he has brought for his son's birthday. So there is no limitation to this answer. You can write anything. The second question, what does the royal infant grow up to be? The crown prince Jang Jang Bahadur grew taller and stronger day by day. He drank milk from English cow. He was brought up by an English nanny, tutored in English, saw only English films. And when he was 20 years old, he took over the state and became the Maharaja. आंसर यहाँ तक फिनिश हो जाता है, पर यू आर नॉट सपोज टू स्टॉप हियर बिकॉज यू हैव टू ऑल्सो मेंशन कि रॉयल इन्फेंट है वो बड़ा होकर टाइगर किंग बना. सो यू कैन से दैट व्हेन ही वाज 10 days old देयर वाज अ प्रोफेसी मेड. ये स्टोरी एक ही है, सो सेम चीज़ें हैं वही रिपीट होंगी. दैट ही विल डाई बिकॉज ऑफ द टाइगर एंड ही स्टार्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ द 100 टाइगर एंड ही स्टार्टेड hunting tigers and killed 99 tigers, and thus he was known as the Tiger King. But you can also mention that at the end he died like we mentioned in the first answer. Okay, this is how the trick is to write the answers. What did the Maharaja do to find the required numbers of tiger to kill? Now here you can start from page number 11, name of the lesson, name of the writer, and you can continue with all the struggles that the Maharaja has faced for killing tigers. First of all, he banned that anybody can never kill any tiger, one except Maharaja. And he vowed that he will do other matters only after killing the 100 tigers. Then in 10 years, he killed 70 tigers of the state of Pratibandhupuram. Now there were no tigers left in Pratibandhupuram, so he told Nevan Saab to find a girl to marry who has a state with a large tiger population. When he went to his father-in-law's house, 5 or 6 tigers he used to kill, and this is how he found a number of tigers to kill. अब यहाँ से एक्स्ट्रा तुम ऐड कर सकते हो अपने आंसर को बेटर करने के लिए. Then you can mention the story of the British officer, that how he wanted to hunt the tigers, but the Maharaja did not give him permission, so he was upset. So what did he do to persuade him? By sending 50 samples of ring to his wife, which cost a bill of 3 lakh rupees. That lastly he couldn't find the 100 tiger. So Devan Saab brought one tiger from People's Park Maharaja thought that he had killed the 100 tiger, but he did not. He died because of the wooden tiger he bought for his son's birthday. Next question. How will the Maharaja prepare himself for the 100 tiger, which was supposed to decide his fate? So you can see that he has killed 99 tigers by the end of fourth scene. You can see the answer beside only, that the anxiety of Maharaja reached very high. He had the same thought during day and night, but there were no tigers remaining in the forest of Pratibandpuram and the forest of his father-in-law's kingdom. And he had to be very careful because this 100 tiger was supposed to be his death. One day he found out about the ships that disappeared frequently. He announced 3 years exemption from all taxes and started searching for it, but he couldn't find it, so he doubled the land tax. यहाँ पे आंसर फिनिश हो जाता है, but you can continue with ending the answer. We have the same thing that we have written in the previous answers, that Diwan Saab brought a tiger from People's Park in Madras, which Maharaja thought that he had killed, but the lion was alive and killed by the hunter. At last, Maharaja died because of the wooden tiger that he had brought for his son's birthday. What will now happen to the astrologer? Do you think the prophecy was indisputably disproved? So first of all, what do you think that the prophecy was true? At the end, Raja died, so prophecy जो है वो तो true हो गई. Your prophecy means the prediction. इसकी बात की गई है कि क्या वो सही था, और अब सही था तो एस्ट्रोलॉजर का क्या होगा, बात की गई है. सो यू विल राइट दैट दोनों के बीच में शर्त क्या लगी थी, दैट Maharaja vowed that he will kill the 100 tigers, and the astrologer said that if he did that, he will tear up all his books and set fire to them, cut off his tuft. Tuft is the bunch of hair जो साधु वगैरह है वो रखते हैं, उन्हें तुफ्त कहा जाता है. And he'll cut his hair short and become an insurance agent. As Maharaja shot the 100 tiger, the bullet missed him and the tiger fainted. He was later killed by the hunter. Maharaja thought that he had killed the tiger, but he did not. During his son's birthday, he has brought a wooden tiger, a toy for his son, and that was the cause of his death. The piece of wood got stuck in his hand and there was infection in his hand. That infection went to all over his arm. They even called the surgeon to cure infection. Maharaja died. So thus the prophecy came true, but it came true ironically, यानी कि strangely. Not directly, but indirectly it came true. Ironically means something unexpected, something strange, or something that is coincident. Okay. Now we have to solve all the tricky question answers of our textbook. Question number 1. The story is a satire on the conceit of those in power. How does the author employ the literary device of the dramatic irony in the story? ये स्टोरी एक सटायर है. इस स्टोरी में एक पावरफुल इंसान को ह्यूमरस तरह से क्रिटिसाइज किया गया है. ड्रामेटिक आयरनी किसकी बताई गई है? राजा की. कि राजा कितना भी पावरफुल क्यों नहीं था, कि असली टाइगर तो उसका कुछ बिगाड़ नहीं पाया और लास्ट में वो एक टॉय टाइगर की वजह से मर गया. एंड दस द एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स प्रेडिक्शन केम ट्रू बट इन अनएक्सपेक्टेड वे और आयरॉनिकल वे. दिस द होल स्टोरी यू कैन इंक्लूड इन दिस आंसर, वेर थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करो कि it shows a humorous criticism, it shows irony. Second question, what is the author's indirect comment on subjecting innocent animals to the fulfillment of the human beings? The writer has also described that how humans can be so cruel towards animals. Here the Raja did not mind killing 100 tigers. When they were extinct in his own kingdom, he started killing tigers in his father-in-law's state. He started killing tigers from his father-in-law's state. But those animals were innocent. Even if they are tigers, he is taking somebody's life. And he is not supposed to take somebody's life. यहाँ पर भी स्टोरी का नाम, राइटर का नाम और थोड़ा स्टोरी बता सकते हो कि कैसे प्रेडिक्शन किया गया. थोड़ा शॉर्ट स्टोरी इंक्लूड करके एनिमल क्रूअल्टी पे अपना थॉट लिख सकते हो, दैट इट इज़ नॉट राइट टू किल एनिमल्स. द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, हाउ वुड यू डिस्क्राइब द बिहेवियर ऑफ द महाराजाज मिनियन टुवर्ड्स हिम? Minions, he means the people who are working under him, Diwan Saab and the hunters that were working for him. Do you find them truly sincere towards him, or are they driven by fear when they obey him? Do you find a similarity in today's political order? तो ये question बहुत easy है. और फिर you can mention that how Raja was trying to kill the tigers and how these people were following him. But lastly, they deceived him. How? Because Dewan Saab also brought a tiger from people's park. वो भी उसे छुपा पार्क से टाइगर लाके उसने जंगल में छोड़ दिया ही. And also at the end, the hunters deceived him. That they did not tell him that the lion was alive and killed by the hunter. Just because they feared his power. Nobody stood up and told him that it is wrong, that whatever he is doing, he should not do it. And at last deceived him for their own benefit. And do you find any similarity in today's political order? Of course, here you can write your own thoughts that yes, we can also see the similarity in today's world, that wherever the powerful people is speaking, nobody dares to stand against the power and obeys whatever the person says, even if that person is wrong. Okay, so you can write, if you know some examples in it, you can include that also. The fourth question, can you relate instant of game hunting among the rich and the powerful in the present times that illustrate the carelessness of human beings towards wildlife? In this question also, the focus is based on animal hunting. In previous time, people used to hunt animals. It was a game that they used to play. Like you can see the Maharaja doing it. You can see there were hunters. You can see Durai, the British officer. He also wanted to hunt and click photographs. But in today's world, you can see so many animals are getting extinct. That is why it is illegal to hunt certain animals. And if you do it, you will have to pay fine, or you will also be sentenced to imprisonment. Means you will also go to jail because of that. So thus we are not supposed to take somebody's life. जो हमने second को answer में थोड़ा बहुत जो मैंने बोला था उसे repeat कर सकते हो, that animals are innocent and we are not supposed to take somebody's life, so that we can maintain the balance of the nature. Don't forget to give the example of the lesson in all the answers, that how he killed the animals and it was not right to kill the animals, and later he was punished for his sins and he also died. Question number 5. Yes, it's the last one. We need a new system for the age of ecology, a system which is embedded in the care of all people and also in the care of the earth and all life upon it discussed. ये क्वेश्चन को देख के लगता है that it is totally out of the syllabus, but this question is also related to your lesson only, that yes, we do need a system to maintain the balance between the people and the animals that are existing on the earth. We have to take care of the earth. We are not supposed to pollute the earth. We are exploiting the resources, destroying the planet earth, so we have to take steps to protect it, because if the earth is destroyed, indirectly we are also destroyed. It will affect us also. Give the example of Raja, that to prove the prediction wrong, he killed all the animals, and how it is wrong to kill the animals, and the animals were extinct in his forest, and yet he did not care about it, which is not right. You can include your own thoughts if you have, or anything you want to write related to this topic. So here it is. I hope all your doubts in all the question answers, all your doubts in all the lesson has been cleared, and we officially finished this lesson. Just a little long, but it is a very simple and easy lesson. You can easily write down the question answers of this also. If you like the explanation, do not forget to subscribe the channel, updated to all the explanation. Do not miss out anything. Making notes for this lesson is a little bit tough because this is just a story. Still, I have made the notes. First, you can see the full name of the writer, Kalki Krishnamurti. Then I made the list of all the characters that I included in the lesson. In the second scene, there is nothing much. First is the introduction of the Tiger King. Here it is. And then in the first scene only, there is the introduction about astrologer's prediction, when Jang Jang Bahadur was born. This you have to write down. In the second scene, Jang Jang Bahadur grew up and took over the throne. Here is where he started killing the tigers. and in the second scene only killed his first tiger. In the third scene, in the beginning of the third scene, you can see that he has taken a vow, matlab kasam khai, that he will kill 100 tigers. In the third scene only there is a story of a British officer. Now we'll move on to the fourth scene. It has been 10 years and he has killed 70 tigers, and then he got married to kill more tigers, and at the end of fourth scene he had killed 99 tigers. Now the fifth scene, this is the longest one. First is the story of the ships being disappeared, and then the Raja was searching the tiger but he couldn't find it, so he increased the land tax. Then a story about Dewan Saab bringing the tiger and leaving him in the forest. At the end you can see Maharaja shot the tiger which Dewan Saab had brought, but he was not killed, a hunter killed him with the wooden tiger that he has bought for his son's birthday. That's all for this lesson. Making notes for this lesson is a little bit tough because this is just a story. Still, I have made the notes. First, you can see the full name of the writer, Kalki Krishnamurti. Then I have made the list of all the characters that I included in the lesson. In the second scene, there is nothing much. First is the introduction of the Tiger King. Here it is. And then in the first scene only, there is the introduction about astrologer's prediction when Jang Jang Bahadur was born. This you have to write down. In the second scene, Jang Jang Bahadur grew up and took over the throne. Here is where he started killing the tigers, and in the second scene only killed his first tiger. In the third scene, in the beginning of the third scene, you can see that he has taken a vow, matlab kasam khai, that he will kill 100 tigers. In the third scene only there is a story of a British officer. Now we'll move on to the fourth scene. It has been 10 years and he has killed 70 tigers, and then he got married to kill more tigers, and at the end of fourth scene he had killed 99 tigers. Now the fifth scene, this is the longest one. First is the story of the ships being disappeared, and then the Raja was searching the tiger but he couldn't find it, so he increased the land tax. Then a story about Dewan Saab bringing the tiger and leaving him in the forest. At the end you can see Maharaja shot the tiger which Dewan Saab had brought, but he was not killed, a hunter killed him with the